What's up, guys? I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about Black Friday. Obviously there's a lot of stuff going on. It's the holidays. Obviously we have Thanksgiving amongst us, so I wanted to go ahead. Obviously on Friday we're gonna have Black Friday. There's gonna be a lot of promotions, gonna be a lot of specials that are going on. I wanted to give you guys a quick tips, not only on how to protect yourself, but at the same time on things you could literally go ahead and just take advantage of. So let's go ahead and just dive in here. Obviously being that it's Black Friday, there's gonna be a lot of things going on. So one of the first things that I like to go ahead and just share, especially when I talk to my brother or my mom or my wife, is protect yourself. And protect yourself in what sense? There's gonna be a lot of people out there obviously looking to do no good. So things that you could go ahead and do to protect yourself is, first off, don't leave your belongings unattended. Very, very important. Obviously every time we're here in South Florida, and we go to Disney all the time. And that's one of the first things that I always tell people. Don't leave your belongings just on the open, especially if you have a shopping cart, if you have things that you're putting away, your purse. Make sure that you secure that information so that you don't have anybody obviously just taking your stuff. When it comes to shopping, guys, really quick tip. If you would ask me, I prefer to go ahead and use my credit cards if you have that available to you, or in this particular case, use cash. Especially when you're going to stores, for you guys out there that don't have credit cards. And the reason why I say it is because, guess what? If somebody goes ahead and clones your card, gets your information, that's obviously liquid cash compared to if you would be using a credit card. Credit card, usually they have a higher probability of them, not only when you do a dispute, for them refunding you the money, but at the same time you're not losing your liquid cash that you guys are possibly using that to either pay your bills, pay your car note, pay your mortgage, pay your rent. And that's even better than obviously using your debit card. So obviously cover your hand, be prepared for that. When it comes to you guys actually applying for a card or applying for an account, one thing too that I like to go ahead and tell people, now there's actually credit cards that don't only are contingent to the store that you're applying it with. As a matter of fact, they give you certain offers. Now obviously when you're shopping, sometimes they give you a 25% if you apply for the store credit card. But if you go ahead and ask whoever the attendant is, or if they offer it to you, that if you want to go ahead and take a credit card just for the store, or a credit card that gives you accessibility with other stores as well, go with that one. Because again, you don't want to be restricted of only to that one particular store. As a matter of fact, American Express, which they're literally infiltrating a lot of the stores now, and they're offering this availability of being able to get an American Express through the store, and you can pretty much just shop anywhere. Again, too, ask to see if you could go ahead and get any type of other benefits. See if they have the 0% interest. See what other alternatives. Compare the products when you go ahead and apply for a credit card, because sometimes they'll tend to go ahead and just kind of push one onto you guys. But guess what? Some credit card companies, or in this particular case stores, they offer multiple products. So compare the products before you go ahead and apply. And I hope obviously that information just helps you guys out there. Again, also try, because obviously it's almost the end of the year, try to maintain your credit utilization below 30%. Prepare yourself if you're looking to go ahead and make major purchases in 2020, because obviously tax season is around the corner. I keep saying that, but nevertheless. So I hope this information was very informative to you guys. If you guys have any questions and concerns regarding your credit, you could always go ahead and contact us here at Buildworth Strategies for more information. And until the next time, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching.